We are here in Mila's restaurant. So magsisisig kami today.
Order na ako.
Yeah.
Sige, isang
one sizzling sisig. So we were supposed to dine in here yesterday, Sunday, pero maraming tao. So we decided today na lang, Monday. We're so hungry. It's past 3 p.m. na, no? So we ordered sizzling sisig and bako salad, tokot baboy, 10 sticks of tocino, 5 rice, and drinks. It's raining today pero hindi naman masyadong malakas. Sizzling sisig and bako salad. O yan ang ibahan. Can you move it?
So, barbecue na.
Yeah.
Yung rising.
Ayan, tocino.
So good.
Thank you, Kuya.
Thank you po.
Hi. We are done eating.
Ow! There's owl milk too. Cross already, huh?
Here, yeah. We're gonna cross the street. Thank you. Mabait na mga Kapampangan. Oh. Lamig. There's Yao Yao here. Milk tea. We are here in Nepo Mall. Meron dito Nepo Mall, Nepo Quad, New Point Mall. Puro Nepo. Ngayon na lang ulit kami nag-ikot dito sa Pampanga. Ang daming kainan dito. Food capital of the Philippines, ang Pampanga. Hindi ka talaga magugutom dito. Pag nagmo-mall kami, I only use belt bag para wala na akong dala-dala sa hands ko. It's easy to walk around the mall pag naka-belt bag lang. So gusto raw ng kids ng Dairy Queen ice cream. Nandito kami lining up. So, anong gusto nyo, guys? You want milkshake or ice cream? Milkshake. So, gusto ro nila milkshake and not ice cream. Come on, you choose na, Sids. Okay. Then ako maghahanap ng coffee. It's a Monday today, pero ang dami pa rin tao sa mall. Mababait mga Kapampangan, very respectful sila. I must say. Sids. So they are making our milkshake. Yeah, say hi, ate.
What's that?
Brownie temptation medium size.
Hey, you want a bite? Huh? This is the brownie dish that you wanted.
But I
Hey,
like
have it-
coffee. So they ordered milkshakes and ice cream. Ako coffee ako. Gusto ko coffee. So it's almost 6 p.m. and I'm gonna try out this new coffee place near New Point Mall. It's a lovely weather here in Pampanga. 1 Spanish latte.
Yung nga baka gusto niyong upgrade into oat milk.
What's the difference?
Mas magiging creamy po siya.
Spanish latte.
Yeah. This
And
one.
then
Okay, thank you. We are here in the glass house, Nepo. Ganda pala dito. Ooh. Let's try this. I ordered Spanish latte with oat milk. Spanish latte with oat milk. Super sarap. So, ano to? This is matcha Tokyo coffee. So, ang sarap mag-hangout dito sa glass house. Very nice ambience. Ang sarap nito, Spanish latte. Naubos ko na. It's $1.95. Then, you're gonna add $50 for the oat milk. So, yan. Sarap. So, it's 100% organic matcha. Pero I ordered Spanish latte. Wala siyang matcha. Yun daw yung best seller nila. So, sabi ko next time. Pero, pop-up store lang sila dito sa The Glass House. Till the end of the month lang sila. We just got home and we are going to open the Balikbayan box today. Actually, it's been more than a month since it arrived. Hindi pa namin nabubuksan. So yeah, today we're gonna open it. We're gonna unbox the Balikbayan box.
Ako na.
Sige.
Eto na. Ako lang yung pake nito eh. Mabilis na ito buksan. But you have to be very careful kasi blade to eh. Hindi ito. Madali na yun, oh, ha? See? Oh.
Okay, open na. I'll go. I'll open it. What's that? Yung tray.
Pretty, ano, this is
For the turkey yan eh.
Pioneer woman for the turkey. Wow,
Oh, yeah.
Hindi nabasag.
Buti na lang.
Hindi nabasag pang the turkey.
Yeah, and this one.
Turkey.
Ano dito?